Yogurt for hair, benefits and mask recipes. Yogurt hair masks help your hair grow longer, stronger, keep it clean, and give it some good shine. Yogurt is rich in antioxidants and nutrients. It is very easy to use and budget-friendly. The best yogurt to use is the plain one, which is unflavored and unsweetened. Greek yogurt is a good option. Yogurt contains vitamin B6, zinc, lactic acid, calcium, magnesium and vitamin B12. These nutrients are essential for maintaining hair health and nourishing hair follicles. Okay, let's see how to use yogurt to help our hair. Anti-dandruff mask. This mask is very effective against dandruff and provides a deep scalp cleansing. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of yogurt fight off dandruff, and lactic acid removes dead cells from the scalp. Honey hydrates hair follicles and moisturizes the scalp, thus promoting hair growth. The antibacterial properties of lemon kill microbes and help in dandruff treatment. What to do? Squeeze a small lemon into a small bowl and stir in 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey to make an even mixture. Apply the mixture onto your wet hair strands and scalp and let it sit for about 10 minutes. After that, rinse off the mask thoroughly with tepid water and dry your hair with a clean towel. If you have dry hair, use only a half of a lemon, because the whole lemon can make your hair even drier. Conditioning hair mask. Yogurt contains healthy fatty acids and moisture that revive the dry hair cells. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids, such as lauric, capric, caprylic and the myristic acid, that will nourish hair follicles. Avocado contains biotin and fatty acids that nourish the scalp, hydrate dry frizzy hair locks, and help untangle knotty hair. What to do? Blend together the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and a half of an avocado. You need to get a smooth consistency, massage it onto your scalp, and slather it onto your hair locks. Rinse off the mask thoroughly after 10-15 minutes with cool water, and wrap your hair in a fluffy towel.